Tech, satellite TV experts. So we want to do a final capturing of everything about 10E C-band. Now 10E C-band, we have done a lot on it. Go back to my previous videos. So it needs a dielectric because it's a circular frequency, not the normal linear. Any frequency that says 0404 R or L is a circular. So because of that, you will need a dielectric. A dielectric comes with your LNB. If you open your LNB, if you buy a new LNB, you see a dielectric inside like this. It's something like this, but I don't have it. I have something like glass like this. Because it is R and L. R is H, L is vertical. So I've just go back to my previous videos, you see them. So because of that, we're going to use something like this to convert the circular to what? To linear polarization. So that's how we do. So that is number one. So I told you that any frequency that has R and L, you will need a dielectric. C-band setup. C-band setup is big LNB like this. It's not the dish. It's not the dish that make it a C-band. Suppose we just see a big dish and say it's a C-band dish, and see a smaller dish and say it's a KU dish. It's totally wrong. So let's continue. So our 10 degree, it at 10 degree. So let's see, assume that we are back in the dish and this is 0. We are moving from 0 to this place. Like I told you, you start counting from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So to make it easier for you, you can track 7E first. Assume we want to track 7E first, then we track 10E. We start from here. If here is 0, yes, 5, yes, 7. Immediately you get to your 7 degree, you take it up. Take it up like this, standing like this, take it up. Then when you got your 10E, your 7E, sorry, then you now move to this side to get your 10 and bring it down. So this is how your 10 will look like. That means 7E is higher than this. After you track your 7, you move it to this side, then your 10E. Assuming this is your 7E, then you move it to this place, then you bring it down a bit. Then you get your 10E. Stay tuned, we continue.